Hello, I'm just packing to go away for the Christmas holidays and I've dumped a load of art supplies out on the table that I've just quickly grabbed to take with me too. And I thought I might as well video it and show you what I'm taking for my little art kit. This will probably look familiar to people who have watched some of my previous videos. So I've got this case, which is just a generic brand. I'll link to everything that I show you in the description box down below anyway. There's a Velcro area here where you can attach extra leaves, but I'm just taking the one leaf, so I've got more storage space. So I've got my favourite pen, which is the Lamy Safari, and it's a medium nib, and it's got platinum carbon black ink inside it, and that's waterproof, so I like this for all of my day-to-day writing, plus sketching. Then I've got a Uni-ball Air micro pen. And again, this is black waterproof ink, but it gives a finer line than my Safari pen does for when I want to do sketching and stuff. I've got a 0.5mm Pentel mechanical pencil. For white highlights over paintings, I like a Uni Posca, and this is the PC1 MR. And that's the little metal nib. And then for brushes, I've got a silver black velvet. This is the number 6 travel brush. And then as a larger watercolour brush, I've got the Escoda Ultimo size 10. And again, that's a travel brush. So then in the other side, I'm taking a few of my favourite colour pencils. I've had to start a new Holbein Artist's coloured pencil. This is my all-time favourite white. I find it really opaque and creamy. And then I've got a few Caran D'Ache Luminance pencils. And I've just picked out mainly landscapey colours because that's what I'm enjoying doing at the moment. And then a couple of nice Derwent Lightfast greens. And a Holbein ice green, a lovely turquoise I like. And then in my last video I showed you some Etchr lab products which I'd received, and I just put together this watercolour paint selection, and I'm going to take this as my watercolour palette, and that's got a little mixing palette in there as well. I've also got some Caran D'Ache Neocolor 2 water-soluble crayons, and again those are mainly landscapey colours. I've got my trusty water tub, which is very tried and tested now. I really like it. It's got this little bear on the bottom that gives it a bit more stability. And the lid that it comes with has been really useful, because when I'm done with the water I can pop the lid on and it stops any splashes and things coming out into my case. I've got a little water bottle, and also I'm going to take these Daniel Smith extra fine watercolour sticks. I got these a little while back and showed you them in an art haul. And these are all granulating colours. So actually I'll do a swatch out in a minute of all the colours and products that I've got in this little kit so you can see them better there. Some washi tape, I'm taking a tube of white gouache. I did another video not that long ago showing how you can use watercolours with white gouache to create coloured gouache, and that works pretty well. I really like that Holbein Artist's gouache. And then, still in the same bag since I put this together, I think back in March when I was planning for a trip to Nepal. It's the Coombe double pencil sharpener, and I just keep it in the bag and the shavings can go in there. And an eraser, and a couple of clips. In fact, I'll put the smaller things in here. And then I've got a washable kind of kitchen towel that I use for drying my brush on. And that's the little case. And then for paper, taking a Seawhites travel journal. This is A5 size. I was tempted to take my new Etchr 100% cotton watercolour pad, but I decided I'll save that to do a full review on first. So I've just grabbed my old pad that I'm partway through. And then I'm also bringing an Art Creations sketchbook, and this is my non-precious one for just jotting down ideas and scribbles in. So that's everything that I'm taking away with me art-wise for the next couple of weeks. And for anyone who's interested, I'll just swatch out these products now and show you the colour range that I've got. So this is everything in my little kit. I'm not sure how much art I'll get to do over the next couple of weeks because I'm seeing lots of family and friends that I've not seen for quite a while, but I wouldn't like to be without some art materials just in case. I probably ought to pack some clothes and other stuff too now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!